You had to try that.
This girl left his door unlocked.
Hi, Mary. I can
Bye.
see you.
Bye.
Mary, turn around. Turn around.
Turn around.
Uh-huh.
What?
I'm in the doorbell. I can see you.
You going crazy? What are you doing?
I can see you.
You see I got the rest of my food in. You see that?
Uh-huh.
You scared me to damn look thinking I'm having a ghost. Just turn around and holler, bye, Mary, bye, Mary. What you mean? When you do this to people? Oh, God. So you saw me and the girl getting the garbage out, huh?
Uh-huh.
Girl! You need to stop that! Oh, my God! What if I had been doing something no I had no business?
Well, then I would see.
Look, girl, look on that thing.
That's your lady.
That's Courtney.
Oh.
Tell me bye.
She at the office?
Yeah! There's something the matter with you? Something the matter with you, Courtney? Yeah, me to death. Somehow invite me every night to see